Hi and welcome back. Now let's discuss this example where we are given a dictionary of students. The keys is student ID and the value is their score in 3 subjects. So if we see here, the dictionary is something like this, where the key is the student ID, which is student A, student B, student C, and the value is a list. Now this list contains their scores in 3 subjects. So for each student, we are given a list containing 3 scores, right? So what we need to do is we just need to iterate over this dictionary. You can iterate over the keys of this dictionary using this expression for student name in students.keys. In each iteration, the key will be the student ID. In the first iteration of this loop, we will get student A, and then we can fetch the scores of student A using this expression, scores is equal to students and then in square bracket student name. So this particular expression will return a list, and this list will be stored in this variable scores. Now we can fetch the individual elements of this list using these expression, using the indices scores 0, scores 1 and scores 2. Just add them together, calculate the total score and check whether this total is greater than the highest total discovered so far. If it is the case, then just store the student name, which needs to be printed. Once we have iterated over this loop using these all expression and using this for loop, then we can print the student name having the highest total score like here. And finally, in the second part of the problem, we need to print the total number of students as well. For printing the total number of students, what we can do is we can get the total number of keys in the dictionary, because as many keys are there in this dictionary, that is the number of students. So for calculating the number of keys, first we are fetching the keys in the list, which will return an iterable. So students.keys will return an iterable of the keys, and then we can call the length function, which can be applied over any iterable data type to count how many elements are there in this iterable. So if we see that in this particular dictionary there are 3 keys, so the result of this expression should be 3. Let's try to run this program. We see that total number of students are equal to 3, and the student with the highest total score is student B. In the dictionary, if we go and check, student B is indeed having the highest total score, which is 20 plus 30 plus 50, so it is 100. So student B has the highest total score in this particular dictionary as per this example. So with this, thank you for your time in this chapter. See you in the next one. Thank you.